Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and is known for its immense size and striking appearance. It is a gas giant, composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, with a relatively small solid core. Jupiter is named after the king of the Roman gods in ancient mythology. One of the most iconic features of Jupiter is its Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging for hundreds of years. This planet is also known for its many moons, with over 80 natural satellites currently identified. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field and is surrounded by a system of rings, although these are much fainter than Saturn's rings. It is a key player in shaping the solar system, as its immense gravity influences the orbits of other planets and debris. Exploration of Jupiter has been conducted by various spacecraft, including the Galileo spacecraft and the Juno mission, providing valuable insights into this giant planet. Jupiter continues to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike with its awe-inspiring presence and intriguing mysteries. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, is one of the most recognizable and captivating celestial bodies in our solar system. Here's an introduction to this remarkable planet. 1. Physical characteristics. Saturn is often referred to as the ringed planet, due to its prominent and extensive ring system, which encircles the planet's equator. These rings are made up of countless icy particles ranging in size from tiny grains to large boulders. Saturn is a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Its atmosphere is marked by bands of clouds, and it boasts the second largest planetary atmosphere in our solar system, after Jupiter. 2. Size and distance. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter about 9 times that of Earth. Despite its size, it's notably less dense than Earth, which means if there were an ocean large enough, Saturn would float. In terms of distance, it orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 1.4 billion kilometers, 869 million miles. Roughly 10 times farther from the Sun than Earth. 3. Moons. Saturn has an impressive retinue of moons, over 80 of which have been discovered so far. Some of the most notable moons include Titan, which is larger than the planet Mercury and boasts a thick atmosphere, and Enceladus, which has a surface covered in ice and geysers erupting from its south pole, suggesting the possibility of subsurface liquid water. 4. Exploration. NASA's Cassini spacecraft, which arrived at Saturn in 2004, provided scientists with an unprecedented view of the planet, its rings, and its moons. Cassini's mission concluded in 2017 when it deliberately plunged into Saturn's atmosphere, collecting invaluable data until the very end. Other missions, such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the Voyager probes, have also contributed significantly to our understanding of Saturn and its system. 5. Cultural significance. Saturn has captivated humans for centuries. It's visible to the naked eye from Earth and has been observed and documented since ancient times. In Roman mythology, Saturn was the god of agriculture and time, often depicted with a sickle, which perhaps inspired the planet's distinctive ring system. Its majestic rings have inspired countless works of art, literature, and scientific inquiry. In summary, Saturn is a stunning gas giant with its iconic rings, diverse moons, and intriguing atmosphere, making it a subject of fascination for scientists and stargazers alike. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, is a fascinating and enigmatic world in our solar system. Here's an introduction to this unique celestial body. 1. Physical characteristics. Uranus is an ice giant, similar to Neptune, composed mainly of elements such as water, methane, and ammonia, with a rocky core at its center. It's distinguished by its pale blue-green color, which is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. Uranus has a striking feature. Its axis of rotation is tilted almost 90 degrees relative to its orbit around the Sun, causing it to essentially roll on its side as it orbits. This axial tilt results in extreme seasonal variations, with each pole experiencing 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. 2. Size and distance. Uranus is the third largest planet in our solar system by diameter, after Jupiter and Saturn, and about 4 times wider than Earth. It orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 2.8 billion kilometers, 1.7 billion miles, taking approximately 84 Earth years to complete one orbit. 3. Moons. Uranus has a system of 27 known moons, named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. The largest moons are Titania and Oberon, both of which are composed of a mixture of rock and ice. Miranda, another notable moon, features a varied and geologically diverse surface, suggesting past geological activity. 4. Exploration. Uranus has been visited by only one spacecraft to date, NASA's Voyager 2, which flew by the planet in 1986. During its brief encounter, Voyager 2 provided the first close-up images of Uranus and its moons, greatly expanding our understanding of this distant world. Despite the lack of recent missions, scientists continue to study Uranus using telescopes and other remote observation methods. 5. Cultural significance. Uranus was the first planet to be discovered using a telescope, by the British astronomer Sir William Herschel in 1781. Its discovery revolutionized our understanding of the Solar System and paved the way for the discovery of Neptune and the exploration of the outer planets. In addition to its scientific significance, Uranus has captured the imagination of poets, writers, and artists, who have drawn inspiration from its unique characteristics and mysterious nature. In summary, Uranus is a remote and intriguing ice giant with its unusual axial tilt, icy composition, and diverse moon system, offering endless opportunities for exploration and discovery in the realm of outer space. Neptune, the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun in our solar system, is a captivating ice giant with a wealth of intriguing features. Here's an introduction to this distant world. 1. Physical characteristics. Neptune is an ice giant, similar in composition to Uranus, composed primarily of water, ammonia, and methane ices, with a rocky core at its center. Its atmosphere is marked by prominent bands of clouds and storms, including the famous Great Dark Spot, a massive storm system similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune's vivid blue color is attributed to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light. 2. Size and distance. Neptune is the fourth largest planet by diameter in our solar system, about 4 times wider than Earth. It orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 4.5 billion kilometers, 2.8 billion miles, taking approximately 165 Earth years to complete one orbit. Due to its extreme distance from the Sun, Neptune receives only a fraction of the sunlight that Earth does, making it a cold and distant world. 3. Moons. Neptune has a diverse system of 14 known moons, each with its own unique characteristics. Triton, the largest moon, is notable for its retrograde orbit, which is opposite to the direction of Neptune's rotation. Triton is believed to be a captured Kuiper belt object and exhibits geysers erupting from its surface, likely composed of nitrogen gas and dust. Other significant moons include Proteus, Nereid, and Naiad, each offering valuable insights into the dynamics of Neptune's moon system. 4. Exploration. NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft conducted the only flyby of Neptune in 1989, providing the first and only close-up images of the planet and its moons. Voyager 2's observations revealed the complex and dynamic nature of Neptune's atmosphere, as well as its intriguing moon system. Since then, Neptune has been studied extensively from Earth using telescopes and other remote observation methods. 5. Cultural significance. Neptune takes its name from the Roman god of the sea, reflecting its striking blue color and its distant, mysterious nature. Its discovery in 1846 by astronomers Urbain Le Verrier and John Couch Adams marked a significant milestone in the history of astronomy, as it was the first planet to be predicted mathematically before it was observed. Neptune has since inspired countless works of literature, art, and scientific inquiry, symbolizing the vastness and wonder of the cosmos. In summary, Neptune is a distant and captivating ice giant, with its vibrant atmosphere, diverse moon system, and mysterious features, offering endless opportunities for exploration and discovery in the outer reaches of our solar system.